In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Notion. Start by opening Notion and logging into your account. Once you're inside the workspace, look for the Settings area and click into it. From there, find the Connections section. This is where Notion lets you manage integrations with other apps and services. After you open Connections, click See All, so you can browse the full list of available integrations. On that page, use the search bar to make things faster. Type in Trello, and when the Trello integration appears in the results, click on it to open the connection page. Now click Connect. At this point, Notion will begin the authorization process for linking Trello to your workspace. If Trello asks you to sign in, go ahead and log into your Trello account. Enter your Trello email address and password, then click Login. Make sure you're using the Trello account that contains the boards or data you want to work with in Notion, since connecting the wrong account can create confusion later. Once you're signed in, Trello will usually show a permissions screen. This page explains what Notion is requesting access to. Review it briefly, then click Allow to grant the permissions and continue. This step is necessary because Notion needs your approval before it can communicate with Trello. After that, you'll be returned to Notion automatically, or you can manually go back if needed. When you're back in Notion, check the Trello connection status to confirm it's active. If the integration shows as connected, that means the setup was successful, and Notion is now linked to your Trello account. That's it. You've connected Trello to Notion successfully. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a quick tip, if the connection doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and check the connections section again. Sometimes it takes a moment for the status to update. Also, if you manage multiple Trello accounts, double-check that you authorize the correct one before moving on. Keeping your integrations organized inside Notion can save time later, especially if you connect several tools to the same workspace. And once you see that active connection, you're all set. Congratulations! Your Trello and Notion accounts are now connected.